amazing. It's a blessing. Shout out to the Arizona Rattlers. God is good all the time. God is good. Shout out to the Rattler Nation. Y'all showed up and showed out. Appreciate all the fans. Love.
It feel good. It feel good. Team win. Team win. Feel good. Congratulations. Thank everybody.
I'm blessed, man. I'm happy. I can't complain. That's all I can say. I can't say.
I feel. I don't know. I feel like a champion. It's hard to describe, and I'm just so proud of these guys and all the work they put in, man. A dream come true, really. We appreciate it so much. We wouldn't be here without all this support. In the IFL, it's a fan league. The fans pretty much do everything, and without their support, we wouldn't be here.
Yes, man. We can't all go back to back. I did it on the East and the West, and we got our ring, baby. AZ, throw the snakes up. Man, I tell the fans, man, just keep going, stay humble, man, and keep grinding. You keep grinding, keep working. Hard work keep paid off, I promise you.
Honestly, I don't know how I feel right now. I'm happy. I'm excited. Hey, shout out to from the head up, from our owners for taking care of us, from our staff, our coaches. They've been taking care of us all season. It all started at training camp. Hey, it's never over. You write your own story. Don't let them write it for you. People watching, we love y'all. We appreciate y'all support. We've been determined. We've been great all year. All year. We've been putting in hard work. And we hit adversity. It's all good. Thank you, fans. I love y'all.